Hello, welcome to today's meditation teaching. In this session, we're going to be focusing on a technique known as Anapanasati, which is the awareness of the breath. This is a Buddhist style of meditation, and the very first meditation that the Buddha taught was the awareness of the breath. Very powerful technique and very easy to learn. And once you learn this, after I introduce the simple steps, you can practice for as long as you like. Remember that when we're going to do a meditation, it's very important to sit in a comfortable posture with the spine straight. You can do this on the floor if that's available to you, or you can sit in a chair. Just remember to keep that spine straight and the body relaxed. When we come into a meditation position, I like to bring the first finger and thumb together and rest the hands on top of the legs. This helps to connect an energy circuit through the fingers, and placing the palms down can be grounding and stabilizing. If you feel that you're getting heavy or tired, you may wish to practice your meditation with the palms facing up. It's a sense of lightening and awakening. Now, this style of breath has different stages, and I will guide you through each stage one at a time. We'll do a little practice together, and once you get used to this technique, you can try it on your own. So let's begin with a couple relaxing breaths, just in and out. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Do a couple in your own rhythm. As you inhale, fill the body with breath and energy. As you exhale through the mouth, let all the tension from the body and mind go. One more when you're ready. We'll close our eyes. And we simply begin to bring our awareness to the breath. You can choose a point in your body that's easiest for you to focus on to feel that breath. It may be the movement of the belly or the rising and falling of the chest, or the space between the nose and the upper lip, whatever works best for you. Choose one and stay with that place that you are focusing on. And as you are aware of your breath, allow your body to be relaxed and your face soft. With the eyes closed, the eyes are gently sinking down towards the tip of the nose without any effort, allowing the eyes to relax downward. Now we begin to follow the breath. As you inhale gently for a long breath, follow the breath entering through the nose, moving down through the body and into the belly. And as you exhale, feel that breath rising from the belly, up through the body and out through the nose. And you are guiding a slightly longer breath than normal. As you breathe, to help stabilize the mind, you may count. Inhale, exhale, 1. Inhale, exhale, 2. Of course, following your own rhythm, but counting each inhalation and exhalation as one round. When you reach the number 10, you come back to number 1 and start again. let go of the control of the breath and allow the breath to become a bit shorter. We continue to follow that breath. As we inhale naturally without any effort, we follow the breath coming in from the nose, down through the body and into the belly. And as we exhale, we follow that breath, moving from the belly up through the body and out through the nose. You may continue to use the practice of counting the breath to stabilize the mind. Gently we bring the awareness now to the tip of the nose. And you begin to feel which nostril is more open. Feeling the flow of the breath and feeling which side of the nose is more open. Bringing your awareness into that one side, the one nostril, and finding the one point in that side where you can feel the breath flowing, the strongest point of sensation. Feeling the cooler air flowing in. And feeling the warmer air flowing out. Breath becomes more and more subtle, softer. And if the mind begins to move away from the breath, gently invite the mind back to the point of focus. To the breath. As you observe the breath subtly, gently flowing at this one point, you may experience a pause at the end of each breath. Allow the mind and the body to relax into the pause at the end of each breath. Slowly letting go of the practice, keeping the eyes closed. We observe the internal state. A feeling of relaxation and inner peace. Gently open our eyes. This is our brief introduction to the practice of Anapanasati, the awareness of the breath. Remember the different stages. First, just become aware of the breathing process at some point in your body, either the belly moving in and out, or the chest rising and falling, or at this space here between the nose and the top lip. After you're aware of that for a while you're letting your breath flow, you're letting your body and mind relax. Then the next stage is to become aware of longer breath, where you actually, with intention, guide a little bit longer breath in through the nose, down through the body, into the belly. And then as you exhale, you follow that breath moving from the belly up through the body and out through the nose. The next stage is to let go of control of the breath and to follow that short breath without any effort. Same path through the nose, down to the belly as you inhale. And as you exhale from the belly, up through the body and out through the nose. And the next stage is to find which side of the nostril is more open by awareness of the flow of the breath. Usually, throughout the day, one side is more open. So we bring the awareness into that side and we find the point within the nostril that is the strongest sensation. And you let your mind merge with that point. I had a teacher who said you can find the one little hair that you can feel vibrating, whatever works for you. But find that point and allow your mind to rest there. The breath is no longer controlled. You can just let it flow, and it becomes very subtle sometimes. It may even stop. And as you follow that breath, you can sense a stillness at the end of each breath, a pause. And that's a beautiful moment of calmness that we become conscious of, and we relax into that pause. If your mind is very active, you can count the breath as well. Inhale, then exhale as 1. Inhale, exhale would be 2, and so on. And each time your mind gets distracted, you can come back to the counting of the breath. Typically, we can count to 10 breaths and then go back to 1 and start over. So this is the simple introduction. I encourage you to try this. It's very beneficial for the health of the body and mind. And if you start the morning with this or end your day with this, it brings tremendous benefits into your entire life, really. So I wish you all the best with your practice.